Hey, what's up guys? Mark here, and we are back with a new video. Today we're going to take a look at the brand new Galaxy S21 Ultra. Not going to do much talking, we are just going to get right into this box because I am super excited to see this device and start using it. As we can see, on the outside we got a very thin box because, as we all know, Samsung has removed the charging brick inside the box, which is not a big deal to a lot of us as we have chargers, but if you don't, you are going to have to pick one up yourself. As you see, mine is still sealed, so I'm going to crack right into it. And we are going to see what this device has to offer. Just some quick specs. This is the Phantom Silver color. 128 gigabytes of internal storage. No micro SD card slot. Samsung has removed that from their devices. And we have a lot of the specs from the S20 Ultra, but we do have the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor. We have the 5G built into the chip, and a bunch of other specs that you can find out on Samsung.com. Alright, you get the little card on top, and here we go. Now, I did take a stop at Best Buy last week, and I did check out the Phantom Black color, and it is a very nice matte black color, but I do like the polished aluminum look on devices, so that's why I did go with the Phantom Silver. I almost wanted to go with the special color Phantom Titanium, but I did not really want to wait, and I believe this is probably the best color for me. So we will just take it out of the box real quick, set it aside, and we'll take a look at what we get inside the box, which you already know it's nothing. And you get your SIM ejector tool, a Type-C charging cable inside, some paperwork, and that's it. So not going to even bore you guys with that. Just put this back, and let's take a look at this Phantom Silver color. Now, I'm sorry about the lighting in my room, guys. It's not the best, but I can already tell you right now that this is a beautiful color. Let's remove the plastic. Very satisfying. Nice matte feeling. It's a very, very beautiful device. Now let's just take a look at what we have. Up top, we have a couple of noise canceling microphones. Samsung did away with having the SIM card tray up top. It's now located on the bottom. On the right side, we have the volume rocker, the power button, and as you can see, that camera bump is integrated into the frame. It's actually very sharp looking. And at the bottom here, we have our SIM card tray, our Type-C port, our microphone, and speaker. And on the left side, absolutely nothing, nice and clean. No more Bixby button, which we all appreciate. And let's just take a look at the cameras. I personally feel it's a beautiful design, and they have a protective film over that. And we have a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, I'm not too sure if I believe it's a 64 megapixel wide lens, and we have the 108 megapixel space zoom lens with 10 times optical zoom and up to 100 times digital. And then we also have the 3x telephoto camera. Not sure on the megapixel on that, but as you see, Samsung has went with a dual telephoto camera setup, and then you do have your laser autofocus. So far, with watching reviewers with the cameras, pictures they've been taking with the cameras, it looks like to be an amazing experience with this device. Now, when I did have the S20 Ultra, I did not have many problems people were dealing with the autofocus. I seemed to be able to just get in focus just fine. A lot of times, depended on how far I was away from the subject, if it would catch focus or not. But they seem to have fixed that with switching with the laser autofocus. And then also the ultra wide lens also takes macro shots. So we have just an array of cameras on this device that if you're into mobile photography, even photography in general, you're going to have an exciting time with this device taking photos. And I know I have with my S20 Ultra. And so now with the S21 Ultra, I just get to have some really amazing time taking photos. So like I said, sorry guys that the color of this device is, it reminds me of my S10 5G that I'm actually filming this video with right now, the crown silver, but in a matte finish. And this just absolutely looks beautiful. If you are undecided about the matte black, or the phantom black I should say, or the phantom silver, and you like that polished aluminum look, I say go with this color. In the hand, it's a beautiful, beautiful color. So, and also, let me see, and yes, there is a temporary screen protector on here. Like you can see, there's a little tab, if I catch focus, that you can pull it off. So unlike previous years where Samsung had a pre-installed film protector on there for you, this one just seems to be like a temporary one. Probably won't last too long, but thankfully I do have some screen protectors coming in the mail today. So I will be putting them on to protect this beautiful display. Now let's just give it its first boot. Now, as you can see, it's different now. The S21 series just says Samsung Galaxy on the front. And just like weight wise, it feels very balanced. One thing I did notice with the S20 Ultra is that it did feel a little top heavy. This device doesn't feel as top heavy as the S20 Ultra did. Like, as you can see, that beautiful 6.8 inch display, and then you can run the 120 hertz at Quad HD this year, which is amazing. I'm not going to bore you guys with the setup of the device. Just wanted to show you guys what it looked like, my first impressions. Honest first impressions on this device. It's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. This color just looks beautiful. And as I said, I did see the Phantom Black at Best Buy, and that is also a beautiful color. If you like black phones, you're absolutely going to love the Phantom Black color. And just quickly, also with the pre-order, Samsung also sent the Smart Tag as a freebie. So we will be checking this out in another video, and I will let you guys know how that works. I do have some cases that I will be making another video on. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. It helps me out. Also, leave a like if you enjoyed this content, and also share it with your friends if you like. But thank you guys for watching, and I will be giving you guys more content on this S21 Ultra. So until next time, stay safe and peace, everyone.